Hello and welcome to the Scrap Hoarders Holiday Collaboration series. For the next 3 weeks, we are going to show you different ways to use your scraps. We all have tons of scraps from our card making and other paper crafting, and this week we are going to show you how to make cute tags or gift toppers for your projects. At the top of the description box, you will find the link to the next person in the lineup. I hope you take the time to watch all the videos, and as always, we love your comments and thumbs up. If you aren't already a subscriber, we hope you consider subscribing and click on the little bell so you won't miss the next volume of the Scrap Hoarders series. You can also use #ScrapHoarders to find all of our videos. At the end of this 3-week series, we will have 3 grand prize winners drawn from all those who watched and commented on all the videos each week. All grand prize openings are open internationally. You can check the description box for all of the details. And now, let's begin with our project today. Let's start with a bunch of scraps. I have this circle of red paper left over from some other project. This is a bit of wrapping paper which I used, then a scrap of silver paper, and this is the way I store all my white papers in a bag so that whenever I need little bits I can just take them out. These are the dies I'm going to use, the circle die with which I will cut the red paper for the base of the tag. And then I have this memory box die. It's a very old die called Paper Angel, and I want to use this to create a little angel, a Christmas angel on my tag. So I will just take all my stuff off screen and do the die cutting and then come back. I've finished die cutting my angel. You can see all the little pieces I've put here, and I've also die cut this red circle with this die which has a nice cross stitch detail on the sides. This is a little piece that I've cut out of the wrapping paper, and what I'm going to do is stick it on this piece which creates the dress for the angel. This paper is rather thin since it's a wrapping paper, so I just want to make sure that it has enough backing. There, I'll set this aside to dry. And now in this piece of scrap paper, I've just stuck the silver dotted wrapping paper, because what I want is a little bit of this paper to come at the bottom. So what I'll do is I'll just go and die cut it and then trim off the top. I've finished die cutting this little circle, part of a circle which is going to fit at the bottom, and I want the sentiment to come above this. I'm going to use this little piece of white paper for that, and I have my acrylic block and Candied Apple Distress Oxide ink, and I'm going to use this Merry Christmas sentiment from this Christmas poinsettia stamp set. This is one of the stamp sets that I had designed for Mudra Craft Stamps a couple of years ago. So let's stamp the sentiment first. I want it to be at the very top edge. Now I'll just trim this so that it hangs above, and this is how the whole thing is going to look. Let's start assembling the tag. First I'm going to take this little bit and put a small piece of craft foam behind it, because I want it to be raised slightly. So I'll just put my acrylic block on this and leave it to dry to one side. I just want to mark the exact space where the circle is going to come. I'll just remove these excess areas with a scissor, and let's put our angel in place. So I'll just put tiny dots of glue on this. This is a very thin die, so I need to be very careful. If I put any excess glue, it will just come out and that will look untidy. For the wings, I'm just going to put a little dot of glue here. That's all that is needed. It's the reason why I like to work with liquid glue, because it gives a lot of time before you have to put in your pieces, gives you a little bit of wiggle room. I'll just add the glue inside. There, our angel is ready. We just need to put this little bit here. I just need to align it properly so that it's on straight, and I just put some weight on it while it dries. Now our basic tag is ready. Looking at it, I felt that these areas looked a little too blank. So what I'm going to do is, I have some of these snowflake stamps. They're all pulled from different stamp sets. And I have the Fire Trick Distress Oxide ink and the Velvet ink by Altenew. And I'm just going to stamp some snowflakes around my angel. This of course would have been much easier if I had thought of doing it before I started assembling the tag. I'm also going to add the Hero Arts Unicorn ink, because I thought a few tiny white snowflakes would look good. There. I'll just leave this to dry and do the final assembly. Let's finish up our tag now. To finish up, all that I need to do is, I have a single hole punch and I'm just going to take it. And punch a hole, and then I have some white ribbon that I'm going to thread through it. And with that, our Christmas tag is ready. I do hope you enjoyed this video and will consider subscribing to my channel. I look forward to meeting you again with the next edition of the Scrap Hoarders Hop next week. Bye!